Nieces, nephews, fellow aunties, welcome back. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your local internet auntie, Auntie Ren, here again with another video. Guys, I am so excited for this one. This one is just hopefully the first of many to come. Hopefully this is the beginning of a new and beautiful relationship. But before we get into all of that, let me just say hello and welcome. If this is your first time gracing us with your presence, my name is Auntie Ren, and we talk luxury handbags, unboxings, plus size apparel, fashion, beauty, green beauty. I'm a green beauty enthusiast. Big shoes for big feet that look cute, all the bits. There's a lot going on here. But today we are doing an unboxing, and if you are returning, hello darlings, how are you? Make sure you sound off in the comments down below so I know you were here and I can say hello back. I love speaking and connecting to all of you, so please make sure you say hello. Okay. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my God, I'm so excited. All right, so you know my struggles. That's all I'm going to say. You know my struggles. My daughter's already. I'm gonna get to it so we can start. So we can talk about what's in this bad boy. But I am so excited for this unboxing, guys. It is hopefully the first of many to come. And you know, I struggle. So I have struggles, and we'll talk about them in a little bit. But I try to find ways through, around, and over my struggles versus dwelling on them. So this is a little bit of an example of that. But I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out of the packaging. Okay, that was just like the outer packaging with my address on it and stuff, so we're not gonna look at that. Oh my God. So I've never seen these in person, okay? I'll tell you the story. Let me unbox them and then I'll tell you the story so you can get into it, because you know, we will be in here chatting all the time. Yeah, let's get going. All right, so let me see if I can open this. Hold on. All right, okay. All right, so I've seen enough unboxings of these to kind of know how this situation works. But guys, oh my God, I'm so excited. Oh my God. Okay, you ready? Oh my God. I hope it, oh my God. Okay, wait, no, it's not opening. Wait. I thought I knew how it opened. Okay, hold on. Oh.
Stickers.
I had, no, I had it upside down. Wait, is it? Oh God. Okay, yeah. I had it upside down. All right, we're ready. You guys are gonna see it first. I'm so excited. Please look the way you're supposed to look. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
No, Zanaya, mama mama. Guys, are you dying right now? Oh my God. Oh my God, I am losing it. Guys, welcome to my first Hermès piece. Everyone, can we just have a moment of applause and welcome Hermès to the family? Yes, bienvenue. Oh, okay. Oh my God, guys. Oh, it's everything. I mean, everything. Like just right here. We could just stop here. This is everything. Oh, guys, this looks so good. All right, let me get this out. Love this little inside. I believe this is the maison, picture of the maison in here. And then this is just stuffing and the box. So we're gonna put this off to the side. Just the moment, it's just a moment, guys. The orange box, like this is the quintessential orange box. Wow, oh my gosh, like, oh, I'm so excited. Oh, Okay, focus. All right, so there's a card. I don't remember if I wrote anything to myself, but we'll give it an open just to see if I did, because this is a moment. So let's enjoy the moment. Let's live in the moment. So this card is just talking about exchanging. So it says Hermes on the outside, and then there are instructions on how to return and exchange, and how to return an item, and all of the different instructions that go along with it. And then there is another flap here, and it says your receipt. Yes, thank you. And this is just the receipt. And it does have prices on it, so we can go over that in a little bit. I did not write myself a note. The iconic orange box with the brown ribbon tied to perfection. Okay, let's get to it. Let's get to it. Oh, thumbnail. I haven't done one of those in a long time. Thumbnail. Okay. You know who else does that? My girl Sid does that. Shout out to my sis Sydney White. And if you don't know her channel, go check it out. I'll link it down below. She's fire. Oh my god, her collection. She just got this Chanel bag, that French kiss. It was so beautiful. It is so beautiful. But yeah, she does the thumbnails too. Love me some Sid. Hi Sid. Okay, opening the ribbon. All right, ribbon is off. No, let's give it an open. Okay, the lid down. What do we see? Can you see what I see? Can you see? Can you see? Oh, I'm so excited. All right, so as you probably already know, so if you've seen any Hermes unboxing, you see two dust bags. So you know what's up. You know what's up here. You know what's going on. Okay, but we're going to go through the bits because this is my first time unboxing this, so I need to go through the things, okay? So this is, what is this? This looks like a care card. It's not in English. Oh, yes, it is. Yep. So it's shoes. So it says, thank you for choosing these Hermes shoes in printed leather. The motifs are printed using the pad printing technique, a complex technical process that ensures precise marking on 3-dimensional pieces. Oh, fantastic. We love that. Thank you. So that's that. And there's more to it. They go into all the bits. And then this is just the return policy about their shoes and how to return any of their shoes. Love that as well. Let's get to it. They come in two beautiful dust bags. These dust bags are like a herringbone kind of print. Let me see if you guys can see that. And they are thick and like very like deeply stitched. Like you can actually, their texture, you can feel the texture of it. And then they have the H's on them, on the front there, with that horse and carriage motif that is iconic to Hermes. Oh my gosh, guys, you're going to die when you see these. Oh, they look so good. Oh wow. Oh wow. Okay, sorry. I'm supposed to be showing them to you. Wait, let me get it out. Wow, they're so beautiful and colorful. All right, guys, so these are my I want to say the name properly, Hermes Izmir sandals. Or slides, maybe they might be slides. I think they're sandals. Okay. I will link them down below. The proper name will be in the description box for them. This is the equivalent to the Oran sandals that they have for the ladies, but from the men's side. So this is the men's version. So now let's talk about the struggle real quick. So in case you're new here and you're just like, why didn't you just get the Oran sandals? I don't get it. Because they don't make them in my size. That's why. So, you know, Bigfoot over here, they don't make the Orans in my size. Not to mention the Orans, this part, the H on the front here, is very small, very narrow. And I've heard so many stories about how narrow the shoe is and how, you know, that people have to go up a size and a half and this and that because it's so narrow, or even when they get them, they're longer, but then their foot is hanging off the size. And I didn't want that. I'm all about, if I'm spending this kind of money, I really want to make sure that this is a shoe that I can wear. I don't want it to be something that is just collecting dust, or I don't feel comfortable wearing it, or half my foot is falling off of it. Then it's not worth it for me to buy it. So I didn't mind that this H part was bigger. I like it. I think it's a little bit more substantial. But what really got me, guys, was the print on this bad boy. All of this beautiful orange. So the sandal is in the color gold, or this is what Hermes calls gold, and then with the orange, those pops of orange all over, and it's the Hermes logo. I think, if I'm not mistaken, you can put them together. Yeah. So I think if you put them together, they make the entire logo there. And I just thought this was so fun, such a splash of color, a little bit modern, not as traditional as the ones on the ladies side. Don't get me wrong, the ladies ones have some beautiful, beautiful colors, but I didn't see anything like this. At least I did not see anything like this. So I just thought these were a little bit more fun and a little bit more interesting. I love the splash of orange, the color, but yet the gold is a little bit, it's neutral, so I can wear it with a lot of things. I love that the footbed for the men's one, like I said, is wider, especially if you look like in the back, you can see how much wider the footbed is. So that's going to be much more comfortable for this Bigfoot lady. This Bigfoot girl is going to be happy to have a little bit more room here, and it's nicely cushioned. It's not like super flat. So here is a nice cushion. Don't get me wrong, you're not getting any bend out of this, okay? This is not, it's not bending, but that's fine. It's all leather. Oh, it smells delicious. It smells like leather. It's all leather, and the bottom feels like a suede kind of feeling. It's smooth, but it does have a bit of texture to the bottom. But I am obsessed. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so good. All right, size wise, so I usually wear a US size 12 or US size 13 in women's, and I got these in a 44. So I would say that yes, you do have to size European sizing. You have to size up, right? These are not made for the big footers, all right? So you have to go up a size or two or a half size or what have you. They do have them in half sizes. I could have maybe got a 44 and a half, but I felt like then it would have looked a little too clunky for me, and it would lose a little bit of the femininity that I feel that the perfect size gave me. So I'm not going to show you it on my foot today because my feet are disrespectful, and I broke my big toenail. My daughter told me not to tell you, but you know I don't care. So I broke my toenail, and I'm gonna go get them done so they look nice, and I didn't get a chance to get it done before I could film this and before I wanted to get this video out for you. So I'm not gonna try them on, but my feet fit perfectly in them. I find that this part is a little bit wider, so it's not like a narrow fit. So as far as like width goes, I think it's great. And I just, you know, but it's still a European cut, so it's going to be a little bit shorter. So I would definitely say you would need to size up, or if you are a US size 13 shoe in women's, or size 12, to lean more to either the 43 or 44. And if your foot is a little bit wider or a little bit longer, then maybe like a 44 and a half. I think these went up to like 46 or 47 if I'm not mistaken. So that's amazing. Oh my gosh, I'm just obsessed. These are so beautiful. All right, let's talk about price. Not sure what the ladies ones are going for. Perhaps I'll put it on the screen if I have time, and if I remember when I'm editing, I will pop it on the screen how much the lady orange sandals go for. But the Hermès, and it's IZMIR, they go for $840 US, so 840, and then shipping was free. And I'm obsessed. I just think these are so cute. I can't wait to get my toenail fixed so I can flex on the wear these. I think they're going to be so great. Hopefully this is one of many that I can either get, well, maybe not this, but maybe something else. I have my eyes on several things at Hermes and definitely will be building my Hermes collection, but this is a great way to start. It's a great summer piece. Can't wait to rock them. I'm so happy that I didn't settle for one of the more basic colors and got this one. They actually have this also in like a blue. It's like a navy with, and then the splashes are like in like a nice light aqua blue, and then they have it in a white as well. I may still grab the white ones just because I really like this look. I think it's super cute and it can blend into my wardrobe really well, and I think the white ones will as well be a great like just slide on and go kind of shoe. Obsessed. All right, so oh my gosh guys, I'm so excited about my first Hermes unboxing on the channel. I can't wait to add some more pieces, and that's it. This was just a quick pickup. Just wanted to share this with you guys. And you know, if you have any questions about sizing or about the Hermès sandals, you know, or if you're a fellow Bigfoot out there like myself, comment down below and put a little shoe. They have like the little high heel emoji on there, so I know that you're a fellow Bigfoot, because you know we like the cute shoes too, the Bigfoot girls. You know, we need some more options. Anyway, so that's it for me, nieces, nephews, fellow aunties. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know every time I'm dropping one of these pickups, whether it's a quick one, whether it's a mega massive haul, whatever it is, so that you're in the know and you don't miss it. Thank you so much for stopping by. Can't wait to see you in the next one. Talk to you soon. Bye.